Hello friends, greetings to you all. Today let us see one more topic, environment. We all know 5th of June is Environment Day. So this whole month we will celebrate the environment. What is our responsibility to save, to take care, to safeguard the environment? So let us see the steps which has to be taken to safeguard the environment. The first thing is E, ensuring. We have to ensure our place, our surrounding place is neat and clean, and our surrounding trees and plantations are well maintained. And we have to see we can do new innovative things like planting trees and also maintaining. And the second thing is networking with other people, other like-minded people, so that who we will know who is more interested. So if we work together, then we can achieve more level in a life, and it is also very useful for our future. So the networking thing is the most important thing. Many videos I have talked about this networking. So it is necessary to identify the like-minded people so that we can network and do the work effectively. And third thing is volunteering. Without volunteering, we can't go ahead. Volunteering is one of the most important things that we have to face or that we have to do for this maintaining and safeguarding the environment. And the fourth thing is initiative. We have to initiate various things. Without initiate, we can't go up in our life, or we can't do great things. Next thing is respecting the creation of God, as valuing them and believing them it is created by God. So we have to respect everything and do the work, respecting the creations like the trees, plant and maintaining them. If we respect certain things, we will do good things for them. And if we respect people also, we will do many things for them. So we have to respect and we have to do to safeguard the climate change. It's observing. Then we have to observe what are things happening in and around society, in and our community, and we have to work on that. Next thing is nourishing. Keep nourishing the creation of God. Okay. Nourishing like maintaining all the plants and also do various things so that it will not affect the environment. And maintaining what all we have is also one of the most important things. We need not see others. Let us see us and help ourselves to maintain various things, maintain all the things, all the trees, all the plants, so that we will not face more climate change in future. Enriching. Keep enriching ourselves by getting the knowledge on how to maintain the environment, how to maintain our surrounding areas. Without knowledge, it's difficult for us to maintain various things. The next thing is netting. Netting is something that means it's safeguarding the full environment. Let us see the steps how we can safeguard. And as you know, to avoid mosquito biting, we use nets. So for the environment, what are the nets that can be used to safeguard them? Netting. The last thing is training. Keep training the people on the knowledge we get on environment. We can see how is the climate 30 years before. The people are above 38 to 40, they can see the climate changes. 30 years before how the climate is, 20 years before how the climate is, and today what is the situation? What is the situation of various things, like what is the situation of the rivers, what is the situation of the climate. So if you follow all these things, then we are concerned about environment. E for ensuring, N for networking, V for volunteering, I for initiating, R for respecting, O for observing, N for nourishing, M for maintaining, E for enriching, N for knitting, and T for training. If you follow all this, then we are safe in the future, and we can say that we are safeguarding the environment, and we can save the future generation from various kind of disasters. Thank you.